Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to increase a number by a percentage. To start, we open the Excel file to see the data to work with. Here, select the desired cell and from the drop-down menu, select percentage. When you enter the number, you can see that it will be in this percentage format. After that, to increase the number, enter the equal sign, select the number, insert the plus sign and open parentheses, then select the number again and multiply it by the percentage. When you press enter, you will see the number increase based on that percentage. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.